In today's video, I will show you how to see linked accounts on Steam. So first of all, open the Steam client on your computer. At the top of the screen, click Help. Then click Steam Support. Next, choose the Steam client option from here. Scroll down and select Offline Mode. Now, scroll down again and click Contact Steam Support. Now, write a short message explaining that you want to know which platforms your Steam account is linked to. For example, if you are trying to connect your Steam to Rockstar Games, but it says the account is already linked, mention that in the message. Then send the request and wait for a reply for support. Sometimes they can tell you which account is connected and may even help you unlink it so you can connect a new account. Share this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.